From the opposition side, Pema Phuntsok of STS Chandagiri will deliver his presentation.
Distinguished judges, honorable settlement officer, school principals, opponents, fellow debaters, chairperson, teachers, and my friends, a very warm good afternoon to all. I am Pema Phuntsok of class 9, representing our school STS Chandagiri Odisha, stand before you to speak on the topic, is artificial intelligence a threat to humans' employment? So I'll be speaking against the motion. Artificial intelligence is transforming the planet. Companies like Amazon claim that they will employ AI to write their books and sell them on the website. AI is unfathomable. The technology was so groundbreaking that major corporations recognized its significance and established their own chatbots. Furthermore, a study by McKinsey Global Institute estimates that as early as 2030, AI could contribute to the creation of 20 million to 50 million new jobs globally. These jobs will encompass a wide range of sectors including healthcare, finances, technology, and more. Apart from that, Air India has already integrated AI into their system. According to World Economic Forum's Future of Job Report 2020 by 2025, the robot revolution will generate 97 million new jobs globally. Artificial intelligence skills will be required for all new employment produced here. Another saying suggests that AI will not take a job, but a person who knows AI will open a new opportunity. Teachers will benefit from AI as it reduces their workload. We discovered today that, according to Express News Service, over 80,000 secondary teachers in state will receive hands-on AI training. Additionally, artificial intelligence has transformed many parts of our lives, including our jobs and interactions with technology. Artificial intelligence can actually produce new jobs. Simultaneously, it has potential to provide new job opportunities in unexplored areas. For example, the invention and development of AI system necessitates the expertise of machine learning engineers, data scientists, and healthcare specialists. Similarly, AI is creating new opportunities for non-traditional workers and entrepreneurship. ResumeBuilder.com carried out a survey in February with over 1,000 businesses and discovered that 49% of them are using ChatGPT, while 30% plan to do so. It was also discovered that majority of companies use ChatGPT to facilitate hiring, while 65% says that it helps them to find job and 77% respond to the applicants. The Times of India, Bhubaneswar, has reported that AI is keeping up with the tremendous expansion in technology and is gradually being integrated in school curriculum from grade 6 to 8 under National Education Policy 2020. As a result, this allows students to empower their life skill to data analysis, healthcare specialists, technologies, and more. Overall, AI will lead to the transformation of existing jobs. It will also create new employment opportunities, automation of repetitive tasks, and the emergence of new sectors and the demand of AI-related skills are creating new opportunities. Hence, AI has the potential to create new jobs. Thank you for being here to participate in this intellectual pursuit. Long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Thank you.
Thank you. I request your worthy opponent, Tenzing Gyurme of STS Tenzing to come forward to pose his question.
So, good afternoon, Tashi Dilek to you.
Good afternoon. Just delay.
So, you have said that teachers have used AI. So, my question for you is, if teachers use AI, then why teachers are get ready or made up for? What is your view on that?
Can you please repeat your question steadily?
If teachers use AI, then why teachers are get ready and made up for?
Thank you for your wonderful question. And I would like to say that teachers use AI to make us more understandable. For example, they show us PPT to make it more easier to learn. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
So, you have said that teachers use AI for getting us more knowledge.
No, more knowledge, no more. Easier to teach us, yes.
Oh, easier to teach us by PPT.
Yes,
then
PPT and more, for example.
What will happen to the government schools, like in very small village like the Assam school, and why do you think about that?
Can you please repeat it slowly?
If you have said that teachers use AI for getting us knowledge easier, so what what is what if the schools like in the small village will get?
These days, even government schools are getting developed and they even have PowerPoint and PPT presentations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, I would like to call Jigme Wangchuk of STS MEO to come on dais to ask his question.
If AI is not a threat to human employment, then why the greatest businessman Elon Musk is stating that AI is far more dangerous than anything in the world that will replace the human jobs?
Well, thank you for your question, and I would like to say that Elon Musk himself runs a company called Tesla, and it has the autopilot mode, and it is all run due to AI. That's all I have to say.
But he will not insist it for no reason.
What do you mean?
He have stated that AI is far more dangerous than anything in the world.
No, he himself runs a company called Tesla, and his company is all running due to AI. So you might heard of false information. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you all. Now we have the second speaker from the affirmative side, Tenzing Bhuti of STS Chandagiri, for delivering her constructive speech. The stage is yours.
Eminent jurists, dignitaries, teachers, opponents, fellow debaters, and acquaintances, good afternoon to everyone. I am Tenzing Bhuti of Class 9, representing STS Chandagiri, Odisha, standing before you to present my today's topic on is artificial intelligence a threat to human employment. So I will be speaking for the motion. The AI poses a risk to all people. The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear weapons. Prominent figures such as Elon Musk, Apple co-founders, and many others argue that we should reduce the use of AI since it is actually a bigger risk to our society. It is witnessed over the years that whenever a new technology was introduced, it has had an impact on the job market. An IMF report concludes that 40% of the jobs around the world will be affected by AI. AI is already replacing the jobs, many job types that could be affected in various ways, including the following: administration, content writer, customer service, drivers, teachers, travel tourism, translator, and graphic designer. In addition to that, the industrial robot had taken away the jobs of assembly line workers. The jobs of logo designer and musician can be at risk too. Therefore, the threat of AI will impact on every field, not only one. According to a World Economic Forum, 20 October 2020, by 2025, the automation and the new division of labor between the humans and machines will disrupt 85 million jobs globally in medium and large businesses across 15 industries and 26 economies due to the AI all in the world. This is because of two factors. The first is that the AI will have an impact on every field, not only one. The second effect is that the AI will have a significant and quick impact. In India, just 77% of the Indians are literate. In other words, 23% of the Indians are illiterate. A national sample study report states that 60% of the Indians between the ages of 15 to 29 do not know how to operate a computer. Among Indians, 75% are unable to send attachment via emails. Just think of how challenging it will be to hire someone who doesn't even know the basics of computers. Recently, there have been a surge in the news reports about schools, including those in Kerala has unveiled India's first AI-generated school robot named Iris. While it displays a great concern about AI and robotics as they have the potential to eliminate human teachers. As a result, 300 million people's occupations are being predicted to be impacted by the recent wave of AI. AI is being used more and more these days. As it replaces the job, it is becoming a greater risk to job seekers. I will now put this statement to the rest. I would like to show my gratitude to our distinguished judges, attentive audience, and deserving opponents for participating in this lively discussion. Thank you all.
Thank you. Now I request the noteworthy opponents Karma Thanjup of STS Darjeeling to come on the dais to ask question.
So my worthy opponent, I would like to ask you that, are you against the development of humans? Are you against the development of humans? Then why are you saying AI is a threat to human employment? Because we know that AI is a way to us to develop, way to humans to develop. And we even know that AI creates more jobs than being a threat to us.
Can you please repeat your question?
So you said that you are not against the development of humans. Then why are you saying that AI is a threat to human employment? Because AI is a way to us to develop. And it even creates more jobs than being a threat to us.
Thank you so much for your question. And first of all, I would like to say that yes, AI is a threat to human employment because it is impacting so many jobs. And as you said that AI is making new jobs, first of all, I would like to say that there are very low chances of AI making new jobs. But if even AI make a new jobs, then just in India, 77% of the Indians are literate. In other words, 23% of the Indians are illiterate. A national sample study report states that 60% of the Indians do not know how to operate a computer, and 75% do not even know how to send attachment via emails. So just think of how challenging it will be to hire someone who doesn't even know the basics of computers, when if any jobs came in future, it will definitely be related to computers. Thank you all.
But nowadays AI is very easy to use. You click a button and you speak and it will give you answers. So what about that?
What?
So nowadays AI is very easy to use. When you click a button and you speak, then it will automatically give you.
Thank you, Karma Thanjup. Now, I would like to request Chesang Tamong of STS Kalimpong to come on the dais for throwing a question.
So, Tash Tilik, we meet once more time. You are strongly saying that AI will impact in human employment, right? Then why you are using AI then? Then why you using Instagram? Doesn't it impact on your future careers?
Can you please repeat your question?
You use Instagram, right? You use AI, you use YouTube. Why not? Don't lie. Then don't you think that this Instagram and YouTube, they're all AI? Don't you think that this will impact your future career?
Thank you so much for your question. And first of all, I would like to say that yes, I use AI, but these days I try my best to use AI. These days I try my best to use AI very slowly because I know that the AI is a threat to human employment. Thank you.
Chandragiri Sambodagi Loma Purudama Lane, Gaucho Sulangte, Tamshin Angyu.
Tarji Sishi Tugi, Consal Haminamti, Capgue, Give Wampo, Tamjin, Kenji, if you watch in Bochola, Kusum Gucha, New to Tome Tone, Sowadina Pepe, Sunny Gode Shoda, Lobji Sepe, Luri Gishube, Givishing in number, Dole Nanyamshina Kenta, Tawar to Chodakane, Pepe Lob to Yola, Q, Pupudoma, Sambo the Chanagari Lob de Subshute, Dash the shoe. Tering Jimmy Niki, me, the Shula Negasu, you, Chipe Jushi de la, Gaucho Sone, Tai Gasota Bushiki Yuka, Tainane, shooting some Jishian. Tangbo, Jimmy Nuna, Kalorana, so me, Namjune Chungwe, Nantugi, Sume, Mixi Wachi Lagore, Tumzen Tangbo, Mato Jimmy Nudi, 주메 링네디 가서 잠리 나레치네 아니 가서 미 망보라 내가 빼 망보 라요리 디라 빼찬다나 가서 기기디서 된다 삼바 미 동다 망보라 내가 라요리 디나시 아니 가서 콜로 서 되네 치네 아니 미 부망보라 내가 라요리 주메 링네디 디도리 주메 링네기 가서 미 레슈라 내가 쓰요 말이 도대니빠 가서 살라 두삼바 공부전 되다 리가다 두삼바 야자네 되야 추다 두삼바 끼겐 되야 가서 미데서 니다 민다라 셀 민다 비주신 도고리 아니 기생 가서 셀디즈 여기 마다네 기생 가서 셀디즈 여기 마다네 가서 주베 링링기 가서 미 리슈라 녀가 쓰이 두라나 안디 디 두자리 아니 기시 미지기 소소 투즈 빠에 셀드데 여기 당게 도나 디 미디라 가서 내가 라야치도 가서 녀가 제요 말이 주메 링네디 가서 셀드즈 여기 당가치도 고가 싸지 되고리 tumten sumba ngazo chumi nilya ngazo mi lishula nyanga se dendo da nimashawa da ngazo mi nimashawa da timna la de ene da namya mari 아니 기시 미지기 소소 미세 들람디 신기 홀로 쇠네 지게나 안 미시마디 텔라 페사시시네 아니 가서 짜기 홀로 쇠네야 미세 들람디 지야요리 다든도 진호 공사 예비기 좀 보죠 고세 샤비기게 된지 토기시 된선도 좀 뱀담다지 베게로 두주나
부부 도마라 투제나 대제라 매우 삼보다기 땡지 저걸라니 독초술랑데 디워치규
शोबादले ये दिवा दिखा रहा ना ता दिनसा रिमोट दिखन मंगबो जिग्योरा ता कोनसो रिमोट दिने ता कोनसो पेशर दौरा ग्योरा ता दिनसा चार्ट जीपीटी दौता फागिला ता क्योरा रिमोट हरेगो ओदि कोला रिमोट दिगी मिंग चिगलाशना ता काचा चिग नंगला रिमोट दि क्योरा ला लेगी दो क्योरा ला लेगी दो आनी दिगी ता रिमोट दिखन मी दिगी लेगा मेओ छागी दो दिकोला क्योरा गे समसे खरेना
걔는 두어고라들라 투지나 아니 한다 디 내당디 차디 가서 주미링도 기긴 눈주 말이 디디 수익 눈주를 나 가서 미디라 눈주리 미디도 소소이 셀 용서제 아니 가서 주미링도 기 가서 미 내가 토이들레도 디 주미링도 기긴 말이 디 미코라리 투지나
땡지 저걸라 투제나 대제라 돌링삼보다 땡지 춘두라니 독초술랑데 디워치규
ngai thiwa thambo de kerangi chimerik ne de yakbure suimba hona thingap kheba mambe mahongba na jamling theshin chimerik ne gi shuken hokchu de mi chijok lamluk de meba chagin yanga thongsine thekor kerangi samju khare
걔는 두어고라들라 투지나 아니 가서 주미링네디 가서 미 지소라 걔 느끼고 말이 투지나
대제라 잔데기리 삼보다 로마 땡지 게레라니 독초술랑데 땀신안규
라나 메베우티 사덴 기데 용긴하다 잠링 시데 데벤침보 진어르 건설 겸 춤을 춰라 규정은도 땅베톤 초관디나 체도 페부 군대조우 시리 중지초 믹세 군대 넘버 로소원예베 술방 넘버 발덴 럽주체 비긴 시엔 넘버 딘도 슈블 럽르 상말라 규 땡지게레 삼버리 젠데거리 닐럭비 삽슈데 테스트레쇼 디링에 쮸메리니 디 밀리슈라 닝가스유 쮸베지시 디토 둡초 조송네 리럽도부 셰교 이간 테나네 도첸 탐직셴 당보 쮸메리네스나 미낭신 삼르당투니 팀바냐르투니 네당한테네 레와치도 베추지실라 쮸메리네스유 쮸메리네 요소메 당보 시에베 쮸메리네 니바 지당기 쮸메리네 숨바 키도 파베 쮸메리네 쮸메리네 디세게베 줌든조니 밀레슈탑 데르스웨치드레 토마 데메티수 미든드 소세 초아탑 데르스웨치 셈첸테조 소냐르체네 소세 초아탑 데르스웨레 대급수 콘실레슈라 니견 가야마게베 펜도 마충을 니바 치수 취지디 중화를 때네 짜싱을 내가 장지게당 깨유르당 테마스 망부시 레라병아 지구 베르나 Sportsmanship company te kala yama ke chidu chuju chunju shina haralu ne yama ke ge te kapsu mido su kencha chenpu de chungwa na nga zo chuju de nyawa tang zongkan na ju de khaya cha mare te ma se nga zo chuju de te ne mi mangmu shi la ma ra da le me cha ge sumba zan chuju di kengi mi mangmu shi le ma ra da le me cha ge perna nga zo ngi shinga tabe chido mi mangbu gyo de tingsan chuji ji de chegire de ma se nga zo ngi kunji cheji mi mangbu gyo de chuji ji de chegire de ge mi mangbu shi le ma da le me chegi dorna chuji yerge tonne le rik tabje sögyang samyen chide jebu le rik bumcha shorsong le rik bumcha shorsong le rik bumcha shorsong kola wanju chemi kangni mi sungyang chobar donje shuken e ay ngosar jinsong taden tu 진을 가서 깨면 좀 쳐. 그저 샤비 끼야 된지 두기시들 흉기 좀 매람 됐지. 대반이 개요지.
텐지 게레라 토제나 테제라 까북산 보테 로마 텐지 풀중라네 가초슬랑데 티와 체규
ni tiwanida the jimini thengi tisoya the baijuse da nichi mangol da nichi ji da baijus di lubru khashi da shina peda yar da yarge ching da ne tela tene da lubru mangboji la da shin phane da da kuzu shin ni de da tingsa da 이제 망보시 용구다 IIT 다 세베다 이제 다 다미가 망보시 용구다 대나 튕게다 너도 망보시 주네 아니 내가 그 삼수가 인시당다
그냥 저 라뇨코나
아니 다 예티와다 연구원이시는 다 찌메리니 다 팅상들라 다 인게 돈시는 앱 레이더 바이주스의 앱 다 군유 이기다 미다 칼랑zam기 다 바이주스의 앱 되는데 다 룹종 제도 디 룹종 제 룹로 가셔다 베다 룹종이래 여기 베 양부 치유다 아니 디 룹종 고주 시베 파리요리 아니 다 디고주 네게요 말다 디고 고주 펜토요 안데 디고래 다 켜랑기 다 삼수 칸이다 싫은한다
그냥 저거 나와도 투지나 아니 먼저 라도 커버 니그랑 라임 바이주스 레 앱디 어디 먼저 롭정 신 어디 먼저 gelai 라와나 싱 마레스 되나
텐지 풀중라 토제나 테제라 텐지가 삼보테 로마 최대 나몰라니 가초슬랑데 티와 체규
Tada ngazu ya pencha shayuna science la gelagi project su la yora and project di kese ha gomena ani AI la iris he yora and di gile bodi yakbu shagira ani di ko ne kerang kare sunge yode
그냥 저 di 라뇨코나
ta pena cha shayuna ngazu science ki project su yora and science ka ji project di ngazu idea di yakbu ha gomena and gelagi AI ne che la yora and kerang gi kare sunge
그냥 저거 나와도 되나 아주 사이언스 프로젝트 세지도 아주 네 세당 마신도 지나 아주 gelala 지나 아주 야신이레스 디 아주
tushina
Sumbatela Chandigiri Sambotani Lopki Loma Sunam Hanzumla Nenga Gidunangyu.
Hello. Hello. 디갈 치규 캠페 구리 산의 신구초
Belde lopji cho tarup lupin chupe gewi shin number phuik ni chi kede na nyam shu chi gi lupchu number tang thakpar tu din du shupe lupchu genshe persumila chamji test le shu che sabure chandegi ni lupki sunam hanjom ne phuik ni chi rangjung kham ki ngubu shebe shi kede shugi rangjung kham ki ngubu sar gurwe semjen tamje na chen toda jiwe khansala tam lingwar depe twensenga teng taring mabe lenjiksen da tongkyu mepe sumelung da sui mepe lensherchu da sajwe terke nimai da mikdun nangwa yuchi ke chenda dewe namjue te da longsuju de jigarul ke nyeme sashi chebongar ti masam ninsen terkango tu mayin jikpa yucheki gyu keki maru semle chung te rangme mime gyumanki teng sashi dogar chulo chung da rime kansar gyukpe chu pen deve gyuru masong par ne dungen leki gyuru song ken tei shizak kerangim ken tei shizak kerangim da cholung jimbe jungkung la ke lakze chine kanjungju te zamling jute jetor tang du semjen kimme kansar kyam da seme pembo inayang jor ningje samne pento juk ke semden namja yugen ki rang dupe nechik torshik tang sem chenche lalin tarwate she nel tumine hyönpe luk ke yide mirung 추가될 nye samshin jignangge chul sorik tuglung khala chul wo dunum sungcha khalungup rang puksam shimpen semmeter nye namto sayum lazadar kung timma kebe chujiktang sa chukcha chewe sayum shin to sanjin ryo meshin nam da sela jewe namgyurin 타된 두 진호 고사 개변 전부초 구체 유린 땜바당 벽기 된다 뉴르드세베 멜람든지 벽gel로 지나
Next, I would like to call upon Tenzin Kensang of STS Chandagiri on the stage. Please welcome him on the stage.
Distinguished judges, Honorable Secretary of Education, dignitaries, teachers and my dear friends, good afternoon everyone. I am Tenzin Kensang of class 6 representing STS Chandagiri, Odisha. I am delighted to be here today. I will be reciting The Grief of the Gone Wilderness. This poem delves into the concepts of choices and their impacts on our life, a theme that I find extremely moving. As I offer these words, I hope you find thinking about your future paths and decisions. So, without further ado, here is The Grief of the Gone Wilderness. Natural land is not free. Hurting animals just for fun, cutting all the trees, hot against the sun. A bird loud in the cage, people praising it. Inside it was full of rage, but remained calm for their sin. War all around the world, pain cause of human construction. Important things are very first, but what about nature destruction? The onset of rain and flood, melting earth's ice flow, human quenched nature's blood, that's how soon the earth will blow. The time will end quick, the pain is intense big, follow the nature's quick, the blue planet is getting sick. We are our own destroyer of the world. Forest started wildfire, we need to hold, to burn rubber and tire. Our world is getting wild. We use potty band, glaciers are going to melt, their home destroyed by our hand. We heard our mother like we were pleased, and asked that she is fine, but the only thing she needs is harmony and peace. The one who is smiling fun, but crying behind. Nature's voice is filled with sorrow, for nature's lament is loud and clear. As she mourns for a better tomorrow, It's time to listen, to hold it dear. It's time to listen, to hold it dear. Long live His Holiness the foreign Dalai Lama. Thank you for being here today.